Welcome to Golden Gate Highlands National Park, where sandstone cliffs glow in the sunlight, where grasslands stretch endlessly across the Free State, and where wildlife, culture, and geology come together. Nestled in the eastern foothills of the Melody Mountains, this park offers a safari unlike any other. With ExodusSafaris.com, you'll explore the very best of Golden Gate, guided with care and local insight. 1. Explore the Golden Cliffs. The park takes its name from its golden sandstone cliffs, which blaze at sunrise and sunset. The Brandwag Buttress is the most iconic, standing like a sentinel above the highlands. 2. Take a scenic drive. Winding roads lead through valleys, mountain passes, and sweeping plains. Along the way, look for zebra, eland, wildebeest, and baboons grazing freely in the grasslands. 3. Hike the Echo Ravine Trail. This trail leads through towering rock formations and narrow caves where sound echoes dramatically. A moderate hike that reveals the park's ancient geology up close. 4. Visit the Basotho Cultural Village. Experience the traditions of the Basotho people with authentic architecture, music, food, and storytelling. A cultural highlight in the heart of the park. 5. Ride through the highlands on horseback. Exploring Golden Gate on horseback is an unforgettable way to connect with its wide-open landscapes. The gentle rides are family-friendly and perfect for spotting wildlife quietly. 6. Spot rare and endemic wildlife. Beyond antelope and zebra, the park protects endangered species such as the bearded vulture and mountain reedbuck. Dawn and dusk bring the best chances to see them. 7. Walk the Hokrans Cave Trail. A short and scenic trail that leads to a sandstone overhang once used as shelter. A peaceful spot for families and picnics with stunning views. 8. Stay overnight in the highlands. From cozy chalets to mountain retreats and rustic campsites, Golden Gate offers unique accommodations surrounded by silence, starlight, and sweeping views. 9. Stargazing in the highlands. Far from city lights, the skies here sparkle with constellations, planets, and the Milky Way. The high altitude makes Golden Gate a stargazer's paradise. 10. Explore Clarence nearby. Just outside the park, the village of Clarence offers art galleries, craft beer, coffee shops, and mountain scenery. A perfect complement to your park adventure. Golden Gate Highlands National Park is a place of strength, stillness, and timeless beauty. It's about more than wildlife. It's about connection, reflection, and wonder. Start your journey with ExodusSafaris.com and let us guide you through South Africa's golden gem.